Hi guys, Becki-licious here, and I decided I was going to take advantage of this unseasonably warm winter night, and I was going to do a little surf and turf. So I've got the barbecue on. We have a very, very good friend of ours from Utah who sent us some yummy filet steaks. So we're gonna throw these on the barbecue, and then we're going to do a little bit of shrimp scampi on the side. So let's go ahead and do this. But hey, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and hey, don't forget to click on that link tree for Under the Apron content. So let's do this. Go barbecue. Here we go. Gosh, these are gonna be so good. Got a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning, of course, on it. A bit. There we go. We're gonna let those puppies cook for a bit. See you soon. Let's go flip these puppies. All right. Oh, goodness. That looks so good. Ooh, those look yummy. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. All right, now let's go get started on that shrimp scampi. All right, so we've got our butter all melted for our shrimp scampi. Now we're gonna add our liberal amounts of garlic. Because can you ever have too much garlic? I don't think so. Ooh, yum. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Yum, yum, yum. All right, now we're gonna get these shrimp in here. Oh, yum. Boy, I tell you, this is one of my favorite, easiest seafood dishes that I've never made, so. And I love me shrimp scampi. One day I'd like to master the lobster tail, but I haven't gotten there just yet, so we'll have to try that sometime, won't we? All right, and we're gonna squeeze our lemon juice in here. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, there we go. Let these cook up a little bit, and then we're gonna get them flipped over and add everything else. All right, so now we are going to add a little bit of parsley flakes. I don't go overboard with the parsley. I'm not a big parsley fan, but you know, and crushed red pepper. You've got to have some crushed red pepper just to give it a little flavor. We like flavor. Oh goodness, doesn't that look good? Look at that. That's a shrimp scampi, baby. All right, let's go grab those steaks. Come on, Chloe, let's go get some steaks. Oh my goodness, look at those. Those look good. Oh, yummy. All right, let's go inside. Let's plate up. I'm ready. There you go. Pretty damn simple. Nothing too crazy. Baked potato on the side, a little steak, some shrimp. We're good to go. So let's cut into this steak and take us a little bitty bite because we are ready to eat. Oh my goodness. I love surf and turf night. Yes, I do. So there you go. It doesn't get any simpler than that. So thanks for joining me once again on this unseasonably warm winter night at our place. And I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.